Lads, I'm actually dying. This is Maya's Uda. I've stolen it. I've taken it. It's mine. Keeping me warm. Bless me. Sinners don't sleep at night. Right. I've not got any earrings in. Please excuse that. And I re-dyed my hair. I don't know if you can tell. It's not completely re-dyed because I didn't have enough hair dye, to be honest, and I didn't have enough time to keep it on for long enough. But she's looking a lot more copper, and I really like how it's got all curly today. So yeah, fringe ain't good though. But I also have a super bad cold because me and Maya went to go see Mouth Culture on Saturday, and we wore skirts, and it was freezing, and we were out until like 2:30, but we had to come. We'd just been awake a long time and wanted to stay out all night like we usually do when I used to live in Leicester, but we went out early, so we came back early and it was a whole mess, and now we both have colds and we're not feeling the best. But you know what, I need to get some content out, so this is what it's gonna have to be, I'm afraid. Honestly, I feel like a dying duck. I feel like a dying duck. But yes, as you can see, I'm at Maya's, so hence the different background. Let's begin, shall we? Let's begin, shall we, treacle sponges? Hello everyone, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. Unlike me, who is currently just hacking up a lung every 5 seconds. You know what I mean? It's just not. It's not a good, fun, funky, fresh, groovy time over here. But we're gonna get through it. I did plan on doing a couple of Pinterest videos this week, but honestly, I've not been on my laptop yet, so I haven't come up with the boards. I have a few Christmas boards planned, and I thought it'd be quite topical considering the Christmas puddings that I'm currently wearing, because I'm trying to keep all snuggly buggly warm. But yeah, I was going to do the K-pop one today, but I've not got the right outfit, and I want to look the part. Do you know what I mean? I want to look nice instead of ugh. So it's not a Pinterest video today, I'm sorry, it's another crochet with me, but we're going to be continuing with my scrap jumper. Today's the 21st of November, and I do have more than a week left to finish this scrap jumper, as in like to accumulate the yarn, but I just won't have time for that anyway, so may as well do it now. Hey Pookie! Would you like to say hello to Delilah? She's not having any of it, she can smell something. Delilah!
Boy, what the fuck you want?
She loves me, I swear. So I'm going to be continuing the scrap jumper today. I took the liberty and I was quite proud of myself, I'm not going to lie. One of the nights when I was back, I wasn't doing anything, so I made another scrap ball. I said that I wanted to put everything into a ball because it's just a lot easier, and it is all jumbled up because I found all my scrap yarn that I had left. I made them into individual little balls and put them in a box, and then I randomly grabbed it without looking, and whichever one I grabbed, I just put it on, no matter what the colour were, so I'm quite proud of myself for that. So that's her. A little update on the jumper. I went ahead and already put the sleeves in because I just wasn't sure how I wanted to do it, and I didn't want to take up a lot of the video's time by doing that. So I've put the sleeve holes in. As you can see, they're going to be some big old sleeves, but that's how I want it. I want this so oversized. Like, I literally want it like an Ude, and that's probably what it's going to turn out like. So I've done that, and then I did an extra layer on the train on the way here the other day. So yeah, it's basically continuing down. I think I'm just going to quickly look on the video because I'm pretty sure that it's just the same throughout all of it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the same throughout all of it, like there's no increasing or decreasing, but I am going to double check just because I'm not too sure, and then I'm going to get on with it. But today's going to be a real relaxed one. It's probably going to be a pretty quick one as well because I only have this yarn with me. I didn't bring any other yarn or anything, so it's probably going to be a really quick video. But yeah, let's update this scrap jumper. She's looking so good. I'm very proud. I'm proud of her. I'm not going to lie, I'm proud of her. I like her. She's coming along, and I like how this top bit's really bright, and then it's getting to the autumnal stuff. This is a mixture of everything. There's all different types of colours in here. I even put some of the mohair in here that I used for the little baby signets that I made, but I remember to bring both hook sizes as well, so one for the thicker yarn, one for the thinner yarn. But yeah, that's what today's video is going to be. So if you are interested in watching the progression of the scrap jumper, I think this is about part 3 now, then yeah, keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get into it, my darlings. Okay, please ignore Dylan in the background and ignore how bad I look. Listen, I'm comfy Pookie. I'm gonna change. I'm not gonna change. My mind's a mess, I can't. But anyway, hey Pookies. I just thought I'd quickly tell you what I'm gonna be doing. First of all, I'm gonna be taking the 5mm hook because I'm pretty sure most, if not all of these, now most of these are thinner yarn. They're not thick yarn, they're DK yarn. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in the round. Is that what it's called? The only issue that I've come across personally, it's not an issue with the pattern, it's an issue with me. I forgot that you're supposed to be turning. Like, after I'd done the sleeves, I had to do it a weird way because I'd messed up. I'll explain it in a bit. Shall I explain it now? I'll explain it now. Basically, let me turn Dylan down because I feel like you're going to be able to hear him, although we do love his cute little voice. Anyway, what happened was, you're supposed to be at a point where you start in the middle of the entire thing, like here, and then you go all the way here, you join your sleeves, you go all the way around, join your other sleeves, and you meet back in the middle. I don't know how I did it, but basically I started at the sleeve or something. Basically I didn't do it right. So I lost my place because I'm stupid big dum dum and I didn't put stitch markers. You'd think I would learn this by now, but the thing is, Pookies, I haven't. So this is my own fault and that's why it hurts even more. So I've done it and I can't remember where my starting point is. So I just keep going and going and going and we're gonna hope for the best. I can't even see where I started. I just don't know where I don't know where I'm at, to be honest, so I'm just going round and round and round. We're gonna hope for the best. So basically what I'm trying to say is I don't know where to like stop, turn my work and go back round. So we're gonna hope that it's gonna be fine. Which it should be, because I've never turned my work before, and although it is better to turn your work, like it looks more crisp and clean, it's not detrimental to the jumper, do you know what I mean? So it'll just be a little bit different after the sleeves, but that's fine. And I don't think I'm going to increase. I don't know, because I feel like that would be big enough. I don't know if I'm gonna increase. I might increase every like 4 rows just so it's a little bit because I don't want it to be boxy. Do you know what I mean? I don't want it to be boxy, and I feel like if I don't increase it'll be boxy. But I don't want it too much bigger, because then it'll just be too big. Well, not too big. There's no such thing as too big, but I don't know. I don't want it to be. I don't know. Just the thought of increasing every second row, it's just not appealing to me right now in this stage of the jumper. So I might increase every like 4 rows. I'm on like 1, 2. I'm on the second row now. So I'm going to increase every 4 rows, I think. I don't know where to increase. I might increase here and then increase here, just so it's easier for me to remember. But yeah, but I don't have to join anything, so if I like increase here and then increase here and then increase here and increase here, it won't be the end of the world. It'll be fine. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. It's gonna be a lot of time lapses probably. I don't know if I'll be speaking to you, so I do apologise about that. But yeah. Oh, Puddy's here. Puddy's the love of my life. Is love of my life in cat form. Is a grumpy old gentleman and I love him to bits, and I post him on my story. He's not my cat, but he's my cat in my heart. Hi! Is he a look? Pookie! Can you hear him purring? Ew, what's this? Puddy! He's not even going to come on camera, is he going to be camera shy? He's kneading the blanket at the minute. Ow! Pookie! I stopped calling everybody and everything Pookie, but it's made him sound comfortable there now. Oh, he's making dough, he's making bread, but he's making bread on my foot. He's just, okay, I'll show you him. Here's Buddy, he's the best boy. He's concentrating on making bread at the minute. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the video. So I'll catch you in a bit, my dudes. you oh, for fuck's sake. My husband's returned from war.
What do you use? Like, where's
There's a line. Yeah, look.
Where's the line?
It's like that. I'll show it.
Oh,
I'll get to it. I'll show it. Don't worry.
It's a 79%, that.
I'll take it on charge.
It's just like a minute.
3 hours. No, yeah, for like 2 hours, yeah.
Genuinely has been.
Look, it's got 7%.
Nice! Nice. I was like, oh my god, that's a big burger.
Yeah, they're hefty, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're wide though as well.
Yeah. They're like.
I'm still convinced they're just rustlers.
Yeah.
Like, they just taste so similar. They're just
Rustlers
nice
on
and
swole mode.
Yeah, on grill mode.
Oh. They look nice. That's like a double quarter pounder.
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have half the week of McDonald's and half the week of Burger King.
Well, the nearest Burger King's half an hour away, so hopefully.
It's so true.
Oh, we should have had one on Wednesday. Fuck's sake, sadly.
Yeah, let's.
Oh my god, we didn't. Oh, we're at KFC.
What's we got? No, I haven't seen you. I was like,
we didn't have a takeaway last time. No, we're at KFC. Fucking lot of it.
I feel it.
Oh my god. Oh, okay.
Who's nice?
Yeah.
It's just
ugly.
yeah. Love it.
Is it right in the front?
It's at the back, I think.
People will be walking around. Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me, you've got me over. Oh my god, oh my god, you can get the fucking beard baubles and plug them in. Plug them in.
Okay, hey Pookies, I thought I'd just do a little voiceover for this part just because I didn't record an outro. But yeah, here's how the jumper's looking for this little installment. She's really coming along. I'm absolutely loving the colours. I love how it's just so chaotic, sporadic and ugly. I love it. She's going to be super big as well. I did end up increasing in a few places, so she's still going to be super oversized. But yeah, I'm not really sure how many more rows I'm wanting to do, so I'll have to measure that up in the next video, and then we'll be moving on to the sleeves. This little peachy bit here is probably one of my favourite bits because it's just so, like, it's so neon. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the links down below for Discord and everything like that. We've got a lovely little community down there. But yeah, that is it from me, my lovely little dumplings. Shall I say Pookies? Pookies. But yeah, that is it from me, my lovely little Pookies, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.